Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how I made this chariot. You can see the chariot has the 4 horses. You can see here the horse. I made it from scratch. So one lion is here, 2 lion. This is a chariot, and I made this chariot is called Arjuna Rath or Arjuna Chariot. So if I reference this image, so you can see here from the browser, I took this image as a reference and made this chariot in Blender. It's in my own hand. So if you see this one, lots of objects are made in as a parents and children relation. This is children relation. This is you can see here the lots of dot where are connected to each other, and there are one empty is there, one empty is there, a single empty is there. You can see here this one. This is a mirror object. I have used the subdivision subsurface and mirror modifier from Blender. So how can I make this one? So at first, this is a side view of a giant Krishna Arjuna chariot, Krishna Arjuna Rath chariot. Rath means the English term chariot. So you can hear about the Mahabharata. So this is Arjun standing on this chariot, and this is a Lord Krishna. So you can see here I have taken the one side view to make a block, to make a block. So it has the 4. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, it is not a Arjun chariot. It's another. So Arjun chariot has 4. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a Dibba Rath, and you can see here all the this is a art. This is a oil painting. So this you can see here all are oil painting. This is a Krishna. All Rath has a 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or this chariot has a 5. No, actually this chariot has a 4. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This image from Bhagavad Gita. So first I took this image as a reference from a Blender. So at first go to the view, side view, and just add the reference image as the reference as the background image and starting to block. So this horse I have made, you can see here, this horse I have made from Dust Studio. And I added a skeleton and changed this position. So you can see here this horse is just this one. This horse is different movement and different position. And then I add a then I add a plane and made a subdivision subsurface and made this just as a cloth modifier. So how do you know how the cloth modifier works on Blender? So this is a cloth modifier, and you can see here this is this part for hair, horse hair. You can see here horsehair. Add the horsehair transparent texture into here. So after add this texture, you can see here it automatically added the horsehair. So Control E and clear sharpness. You can see here uh, the sky color for mark sharpness. I want to clear it sharpness. So if I render it in, I have added uh, medieval sandstone texture to here. So you can see here all our horse standing there. There's this movement, and this is my own work started from scratch. This is a wheel. You can see here if I show you the wheel. It looks very beautiful and looks like a medieval statue. It looks like a medieval statue. I have added this stone from Polyheaven. Polyheaven side. It is CCO license. So this it has this is a lion. You can see here. This space for standing and this space for Sharathi. Here the Lord Krishna, this place for Lord Krishna, and this place for Arjuna. You see here I had made all details there. This is the flag. The Mahabali Hanuman is here. This route is called the Dibba route. If I go back to the clay model, you can see here this mesh. So if I go to the, you can see here there is a lion out there in the both side. This is the iconic, and this is the without lion, and this chariot should be 4 horses and 2 lions, 1 flag with you can see here this is a Hanuman, this is a lion, and this is the horses. So everywhere you can see the same thing. The route is different. Not route is same. Or this route contain sun, the goddess of sun. But this flag contain this is not a sun. This flag must contain Lord Hanuman, Mahabali Hanuman. So you can see here, this is the Hanuman. This is the real picture, paintvalley.com. This is, you can see here, there the Hanuman. There are 4 horses. This rod has it in back side. This rod has 2 lions. So this is not a very hard chapter. This is very this was very easy. I have already made this one. So I have added the subdivision subsurface. This one I have, this is Baga array. This is instance subdivision subsurface, and Baga array you can see here. One is radial array. This is a Baga array. All are sub instance. I have made the instance, and this is a main wheel. You can see here the main wheel. This is the main wheel, and the instance, the same instance, I have made the mirror position the same wheel. This line has the same mirror. So make this file more small. If I made everything without instance, to this file turn into very heavy. So this file has you can see here 142 MB. So without texture, this file is probably 115 MB, and you can see here this is the leg bangle for horse for jewelry purpose. I have used it for jewelry purpose, and everything is done in everything I have made. You can see here everything I have made in the UV modifier. So I can add the jewelry part in here. Jewelry part from here. And you can see here this stuff is every part I have made the UV unwrap. And this is the ornaments. I have made all ornaments. And it looks really very good. I have taken to create this 15 days with 6-hour work. This is a controller. This is a leather belt for control the horse. This is a stick with this wire to control the horse. This is the pilot. This place for pilot where the Krishnas had seated here. So some lots of stuff from Mahabharata I have already made. So this is actually not a tutorial. This video for showing you how I can make this any kind of ancient some model, ancient some part, some epic, some part from epic. This is the some part where I can see from image. This is really very good. This is my skill to I already made this one without any blueprint, only side image. It can help to make this one perfectly, and virtually good, very good, and perfect, and geometrically good. You can see here this is a rod. This is good for game design. So thanks for watching.